Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today to show you guys some crochet hair that I received off of Amazon from a store by the name of YOUNGTHER. Now I have worked with them in the past. They did send me some crochet hair in the past, and probably a couple of other things I don't remember. But they sent me some MARLEY braiding hair that you can use to braid. You can use as passion twists. You can use as faux locks. So I'm not going to install this hair anytime soon. So I went ahead and told them that I will go ahead and just show my viewers how the hair looks, and of course provide you guys with the link in case you are interested in purchasing this hair. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Of course, I'm going to get into a little bit more details about the hair, but first I'm going to show you how the package came. So I received this from Amazon, of course, and it came in this big old plastic bag. And of course right here it says pre-separated spring twist hair extensions, and it's in the shade tea burgundy. All right, so in the bag, of course, I get a crochet needle, I get 2 clips, and a little bag of beads. Now here is the MARLEY twist hair. So I have 2 of these, and once again it's in the shade 1B burgundy. I don't know what I said earlier. I think I said tea something, but whatever. So this is how the hair looks. I'm not going to take it apart, but again, it's already separated. But this is how the hair looks. So I have 2 packages, and I have 3 sections of this hair. So total I have 6 sections of the hair. Not too sure how much is in here, but as you guys can see, this is how the hair looks. So this is their MARLEY braiding hair. It's in 24 inches. It has 6 packs of springy afro twist crochet hair, and it is synthetic, of course. The shade is tea bug or 1B/burgundy, and this retails for $22.49 for a pack of 6. Right now Amazon has the little save an extra 6% when you apply this coupon, so you can use that, of course. It says it's 8 strands in each pack, and there's 6 packs total, so there's 48 strands. It says pre-fluffed, pre-stretched, pre-separated, easy to separate, natural and durable, no chemical smell, low temperature fiber, very soft, very light, and easy to install. So you can use this hair as spring twist hair, you can use it as passion twist hair, or you can use it as butterfly locks. So make sure you guys check the description box below for the link to this hair in case you are interested. Right now my hair is more of this color except a little darker, so I'm probably honestly not going to install this hair anytime soon. But I just wanted to make sure I show you guys how it looks and let you guys know where you can purchase this hair from on Amazon. So once again, check the description box below for the link. I think they have a couple other colors like 1B and some other ones, so in case you are looking for a different color. But I do want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this product. Really do appreciate it and hope to work with them again in the future. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in my next one.